Hello again everyone. Before we start with the company valuation, let's understand basics of calculation. Behind every stock is a business. Our aim will be to find value of that business. Focus will be based on purchase of entire business and how the business will perform in future. Profitability of transaction will be calculated based on free cash flow generated from the business activity and not the stock price movements. Only during the decision to buy the company, stock price will be referred to confirm if market valuation is undervalued or overvalued compared to our calculations. The best holding period for any company is forever. Our aim would be to find companies which can employ greater amount of capital over long period of time with higher rates of return. Any sell decision should be based on deterioration of company fundamentals or change in business strategy. It should never be based on fall in the stock price or rise in the stock price. Valuation will be based on discounted cash flow method. As foundation of company's profitability is its capacity to generate free cash flow, DCF method is well suited to define value of the company. Discount percentage could be different from person to person as risk capacity of each individual varies. This would result in different intrinsic value for each individual. However, it is advised for each individual to keep sufficient safety margin in their calculation. Other observation will be clarified during the discussion. Thank you.